Welcome to online Pathshala of Kapala School of Education. Hope you all are well. So in the previous class we had discussed about articles. We had discussed about article a and and. Now today we'll discuss about article the. The use of article the. We all know that the is the definite article, means the is used when there is only one thing, none other than that. Like the sun, the moon, the earth, the north pole, means there is the sun is only one in the world. There is no other sun in the world. So means the thing which are only one, which are unique in the world, where we use article the. Musical instrument. Okay. Before the names of musical instrument, we use article the, like the tabla, the guitar, the piano. Look at the example. Rahul cannot play the piano. Means Rahul cannot play the piano. Rahul piano नहीं बजा सकता. And the another one, Rahul cannot play a piano. Here is the difference of article. Article the is used here and article a is used here. What is the difference? Rahul cannot play the piano means Rahul piano नहीं बजा सकता. Rahul cannot play a piano. Rahul एक piano नहीं बजा सकता. So before the name of musical instrument, we will use article the, which is correct. And if use article a at that point or article an, that will be wrong. But some use of instrument as a countable noun. If the instrument is used as a countable noun, means जिसको हम गिन सकते हैं, अगर उस noun में article instrument का use होता है तो article कौन सा आएगा? A and an. At that moment we will use article a or an. He has bought a piano. Means उसने एक piano खरीदा. If we use he has bought the piano, उसने पियानो खरीदा, तो कौन सा पियानो खरीदा, कितने पियानो खरीदे, we cannot identify in that sentence. For that we will use article a, where when there is a countable noun. What musical instrument are used as a countable noun, at that point we will use article a. Next, the plus some adjective as an plural noun to denote the class. When the plus some adjectives, after the, if there is adjective as a plural noun and as a plural noun, denote the class, means जब the के साथ कोई भी adjective आए और वो भी कौन से noun में, plural noun में, और उस पूरी class को denote करता है, तो we use article the. Like the rich, the poor, the dumb. Means the rich. The rich is identify the whole rich. The whole rich. जितने भी अमीर हैं, the rich किसको आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा है, जितने भी रिच हैं उसको the आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा है. The poor means सारे गरीब. The poor means सारे गरीब. The dumb. So when these are given, like the rich, the poor, the dumb, means they denote all the class. What they denote? They denote all. Ordinal adjective are given. Means ordinal adjective मतलब कर्मवाचक विशेषण. Ordinal means कर्मवाचक and adjective means विशेषण. The first, the second, the third, like this. The first Prime Minister of India. Means which Prime Minister? First. First is the ordinal क्रमवाचक, which means क्रमवाचक. When the adjectives are given like ordinal, we will use article the. Next, before the names of newspaper, before the name of newspaper, like the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, these things are, if these things are given, means before the name of newspapers are given, we will use article the. Like before the names of museum, libraries, hotels, restaurants, cinema halls, all these, before the names of all these things we will use article the. Next, before the name of public place like the zoo, the botanical garden, etc. Whenever there is a public place, we will use article the before the name of that. Before the name of direction, we will use article the east, the west, Example, look at the example. The sun means the sun is only one, so that before sun we will use article the. Rises in the east. Before the name of direction, east is the direction, so we will use article the before the name of directions. Next, before religious communities से पहले हम आर्टिकल द का यूज करेंगे, लाइक द हिंदूज, द मुस्लिम्स, द सिख्स एक्सेट्रा. बिफोर द नेम ऑफ रिलीजियस कम्युनिटीज वी विल यूज आर्टिकल द. बिफोर सीरीज ऑफ माउंटेन्स, अपनी पर्वतमालाज हैं जो उनके नाम से पहले हम किसका यूज करेंगे, द का. द हिमालयाज, द ईस्टर्न घाट्स एक्सेट्रा. Anywhere if you found the name of mountain series we will use article the. Next, before the names of rivers, canals, aeroplanes, trains, etc. Whenever there is a river like the Ganga, the Jamuna, the Saraswati, before the names of canals means Nahar, the Indira Gandhi Nahar, etc. Like these aeroplanes, before the name of aeroplanes, before the name of trains, the Rajdhani Express, the Gomti Express, etc. All these things are given. At that moment, we will use article the. Now look at here. Before the name of religious books, before the name of religious books like the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, etc. If there is any kind of religious book is given, at that moment before that name we will use article the. What we will use? Before the religious books, if author name is given, जितने भी जो रिलीजियस बुक्स हैं उनके पहले अगर उनके ऑथर का नाम दिया हुआ है तो एट दैट मोमेंट वी विल नॉट यूज आर्टिकल द. लुक एट द एग्जांपल. वाल्मीकि's रामायण, वाल्मीकि's द रामायण. Before the name of religious book, if the author name, this is the book and this is the author, so the rule said that before the name of religious book, if author name is given, look at it, book से पहले author का नाम दिया, at that moment we will use article the. So this is the wrong. We will not use Valmiki's Ramayana is the correct. The Ramayana of Valmiki, the Ramayana means the book is first given at the first place of Valmiki means is the author. किसकी रामायण? वाल्मीकि की रामायण. दिस इज द करेक्ट. बिफोर द नेम ऑफ, अगर बुक से पहले ऑथर का नाम दिया हुआ है तो हम द का यूज नहीं करेंगे. इफ द ऑथर नेम इज नॉट गिवन एट दैट पॉइंट वी विल यूज आर्टिकल द. So this is enough for today guys, and in the next chapter we will discuss more about these things. So till that, take care. Bye bye students.